I give up on subscribing to the base level learning of gut health. Be real with yourself. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Self Love Nutrition, where I teach everything about fruit education, gut health, and meal planning. As you can tell by the title, I am so done. I'm done, baby. I'm so done. What do you y'all probably like, what's she talking about? What you done for? I'm done explaining gut health on a surface level. Y'all always think, oh, she does this for weight loss, she does this for pain, she does this because she wanted to live so long. Baby, like I said, that's on the surface level. I'm at the point where I want to talk to my platforms about gut health on a metaphysical level, on a spiritual level, because it makes you raise dimension. It makes you think deeper. It makes you quantum leap. It makes you quantum jump timelines. Like, it's in a sense of fasting and how fasting does that for people. But you can literally just eat all living foods all day long and still jump timelines and still find out your true identity, find out the most creative aspects of yourself. That's why I said I want to bring the science into this. And I'm not going to get into it into this video because this video is just telling y'all how I'm done. Like, I'm so done reaching the base level audience because I don't want to be like the rest of the influencers out here. I do not want to show y'all just what I eat in a days and think it's like for y'all to just reminisce and not know why I actually do this. Like, I do this because I have grown from eating this way, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, so many ways, literally so many ways, and it's kind of unexplainable, but I will be able to explain it to you all sooner than later when I come up with more topics that I would like to talk about. When I show my meals, I will literally explain I eat fruit for breakfast for neuron connection. I eat salads for brain cell protection. Well, my dinners consist of high protein or lots of water in my vegetables just for nourishment of those cells. Like, it's literally so deep into the science of why I do things and how it has changed my life. Everybody sees it now, which is so ironic. It's so funny. Nothing's ironic, nothing's a coincidence because God has ordained every single thing in our lives. Everything is written. But it's just like people really looked at me like, girl, what does she think she doing? Who does she think she is? Baby, this is ancestral, okay? Like, I gotta say that with a straight face because this is nothing that is new. Nothing. It was meant for me to do this at this age that I'm at. Yes, your health is your wealth, but your brain is your brain. How does your brain work? Can you think straight? Can you remember some stuff? Can you critical think? Can you create? That's where my mind goes when it comes to people eating this way. The melanated God beings, okay, are stepping into their power. They're reclaiming their kingdoms, their thrones, okay? You know why? Because they are building their tribes based on them fasting, on straight juices, on straight fruits. And it's lovely. It's lovely. I'm really seeing God bodies out here. The women are battling womb health. But the men have taken back their power. They're not just sleeping with anybody anymore. Like, they are literally honing in on their true energy. And it's beautiful. Like, it's literally beautiful. You cannot be who you are truly meant to be being suppressed by your oppressors. This is metaphysical. Are you going to stay on the plane that is almost equivalent to hell? Are you going to go rise up and ascend to the plane that is equivalent to heaven? Baby, heaven on earth is heaven on earth. You can reach heaven on earth. It's a state of consciousness. It's a state of mind. It literally is. And you could read your Bible and you could find this. You could be religious and you could find this. You can do whatever practice you choose to do and you can still find this. It's all in what you eat. I'm here to create the different perspective for people to realize that what you eat is so crucial to your spiritual health and your spiritual abundance. It's the intelligence of your brain, it's the intelligence of your gut that is going to lead you in the state of consciousness that you choose to be forever on. Eternity. It's going to lead on your next generations. If you act emotionally, it's going to pass on to your kids. If you act logically, it's going to pass on to your kids. Everything you do is going to pass on to your kids. It's the habits. You create different habits. You learn how to sit still and be still and know that you are God within. You have nothing to worry about. Nothing at all. So, like I said, I'm done explaining this on a base level. This is surface level learning that I am not subscribing to anymore. Quantum nutrition is all about quantum leaping. Self love is all about fruit education, gut health, and meal planning, but on a higher perspective. It's based on so many things. Like, it's just so many reasonings now that you cannot be afraid of because you can change your life. You can literally just change your life with one simple decision. Yes, that food tastes good, but is it doing good to you? Is it? It does no good to nobody. So it tasting that good is not beneficial to you at all. Like, what it tasting good is gonna do to you? Give you high cholesterol, give you COPD, give you pneumonia in your lungs, give you hypertension, give you diabetes, give you metabolic syndrome. Like, what is it really doing to you? And you have to be real with yourself. Just be real with yourself. So, like I said, I'm done. Once again, I'm done. I'm so done. I give up. That's what I do. I give up. I give up. I give up on subscribing to the base level learning of gut health. It's so much more than just not living in pain. It's so much more than weight loss, and it's so much more than living a long, long, long life. The quality of life is what self love is about. And if you haven't grabbed my book yet, this is a roadmap to wealth and prosperity. It's gut intelligence. I will link it down below in the comments, and I will link it also down below in the description box. So you can grab this on Amazon and receive it in 2 to 3 days with Amazon Prime. It's not that thick, but it will change your life, literally change your mindset, and you will grow forever on. All right, y'all. If y'all really like this video and y'all really like that I'm really changing the perception of what I choose to talk about on this channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment or some suggestions or some topics that you all want me to really hone in on. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. All right. Self love is the best love. Keep it light, keep it cute, and full of fruit. Mwah!